Today, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PDF to DocuSign. This is incredibly useful when you need to transform a static PDF document into something that can be signed electronically, whether it's a contract, an agreement, or any form that requires signatures. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to DocuSign.com. Once you're on the DocuSign homepage, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Simply enter your login information to access your account. This step gets you into the platform where all the document magic happens. After you've logged in, take a look at the top toolbar on your screen. You'll see several options there, and you want to click on Agreement. This section is specifically designed for creating and managing documents that need signatures, making it the perfect starting point for converting your PDF. Now, in the upper left panel, you'll notice a button that says Start Now. Go ahead and click on that. This action initiates the process of creating a new agreement and prepares DocuSign to receive your document. Next, you'll see an upload option appear. Click on Upload, and from the choices presented, select Desktop. This tells DocuSign that you're going to grab a file from your computer rather than from cloud storage or another location. A file browser window will pop up on your screen. Navigate to wherever your PDF file is stored on your computer, select the PDF file you want to convert, and then click Open. This uploads your document directly into DocuSign, and you'll see it appear in the workspace. The system might take a moment to process the file, so just give it a second to load completely. Once your PDF is uploaded, it's time to add recipient details. Below the document preview, you'll find a text field where you need to enter the recipient's name. Type in the full name of the person who needs to sign this document. Right below that, you'll see another field for the email address. Enter the recipient's email here. This is how DocuSign will send the document to them for signing, so make sure the email is accurate. Now, you'll need to provide some context for your recipient. Look for the subject and message fields. In the subject line, type something clear and descriptive about what the document is. Then in the message field, you can add any additional instructions or notes that will help the recipient understand what they're signing and why. After filling in all those details, look to the bottom right corner of the screen and click Next. This moves you forward to the document preparation stage, where you can customize what fields appear on your PDF. You'll now see the document displayed with a left sidebar full of options. This is where DocuSign really shines. In this sidebar, you can add various fields to your document. You can drag and drop signature fields, initial boxes, stamps, date signed fields, name fields, text boxes, number fields, and many other standard fields onto specific areas of your PDF. Take your time here to place these fields exactly where you want the recipient to fill in information or add their signature. Simply click on the field type you want from the sidebar, then click on the document where you want it to appear. Once you're satisfied with all the fields you've added and everything looks exactly how you want it, head to the bottom right corner one more time and click Send. This final action converts your PDF into a DocuSign document and sends it off to your recipient's email address. They'll receive a notification and can sign it electronically from any device. And that's it. You've successfully converted your PDF into a DocuSign document ready for electronic signatures. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.